The best time to start saving and investing was 20 years ago. At kung halimbawa po, during our 20s, like 25 when we started working, alam na natin to na pwede pala tayong mag-start, mag-save at mag-invest ng lower amount. Guys, kung nag-start ka mag-work ng 25, ngayon na 45 ka, we should have millions of pesos. Kaso hindi natin alam. Diba, Sir Alduin? Ngayon lang natin natutunan. So, what we're gonna do? The next best time to start saving and investing is today. Kasi guys, hindi na natin natutunan yung past 20 years eh. Pero pwede nating solusyonan yung next 20 years of our life. Yung next 20 years ng buhay natin na kung saan retire na tayo, hindi na natin kayang magtrabaho, pwede pala tayong maging financially free. Kung gagawin natin today.